Hi, now let's see how you can start communicating with your leads at scale using Campaign in Qynko. Imagine you have a new set of leads from your website or a recent event, and instead of reaching out to them manually, what you can do is you can automate the process using the campaign. So let me show you how. You can start with Campaign and create a new campaign. Let's say I'm promoting an event, so I'll click on the event, which is mindfulness based stress management for professionals. I'll go to next. I'll give a campaign name to this, which is event, a description. Now, let's see who would I like to send this message. Is it to all my leads or leads from a specific firm or very selected handful leads? Let me go with selected leads. Now I will be getting my lead list out here. Let me select the number of people I would want to reach out to and I'll go to next. Now I can select my communication channel out here, WhatsApp or email or both. I'll go with both and I can either schedule a time or send it immediately. I'll do this immediately. Review. Here you can give a check to all the metrics that you have decided on. And finally, create the campaign. As you can see, the messages are shared, total 4, 2 WhatsApp and 2 email. So, this is how easy it is to send your promotions and communications with your leads and clients with Qynko campaign.